What can you see?
Watermelon.
I want you to look at a friend. And I want you to do the F sound. Good, look at a friend. And what should you see at the top?
The teeth.
Give yourself a pat on the back. Next set.
Something that is included during literacy instruction is mouth articulation sounds. This level of detail helps students differentiate phonemes. Articulation is the ability to move your tongue, lips, teeth, and jaw to produce the speech sounds that make up words.
If this is a voice or unvoiced sound, ready? Put your hands right here and go.
Each explicit lesson involves a discussion around sound articulation so that students understand what's happening to their vocal cords when they produce each sound.
Throat. Your vocal cords are like, they have like some ticklish in it.
Yeah.
And you could feel like some bumps in it.
Okay. All right. Callie. Your vocal cords are vibrating. Your vocal cords are moving. They're vibrating. All right. When we make the sound, like in the word her, the corners of our lips are coming up.
From there, we discuss what is happening to our articulators. So that includes our lips, tongue, jaw, and teeth, even the airflow, what is happening when we produce that sound.
Your tongue hangs down, but it's drawn back a bit. So it's not touching anything, and your vocal cords will vibrate. Right now, I want you to look at a friend, and I want you to make the sound. Show them what it looks like. Airplane mode so you can see the board. It's not. Here we go, my lovelies. Let's say some of these words. Bird. Bird. Turtle. Fur. Burn. Excellent job, guys. I want you to look at these two mouths. Is there a difference between them? Is there a difference between them? Robert.
They're the same.
Does anybody agree with Robert? You're right. They are the exact same.
It is not uncommon for students to confuse sounds that feel alike in the mouth. It is for this reason that we have discussions around sounds that feel the same and look the same.
The letter P. Try this one. That sound is for the letter B. I want you to tell me what is the difference between the and the B. Everyone say. Good. Try this one. Everyone say. What's the difference?
One is voice, one is not voice.
Good. Who can tell me which one is voice? Is it the or the B? Is what? The book is voiced or unvoiced? Does anybody agree? You guys are correct. The book sound is voiced. Say book.
Using different activities that allow students to listen for the sounds and practice using their articulators as they're trying to manipulate and identify the sounds, helps to solidify what it sounds and feels like when they make a certain phoneme.
The boop sound in the beginning, you have to stand up tall. If you hear the boop sound at the beginning, what do you have to do?
Stand up tall.
So you stand if it's at the beginning. If the boop sound is at the end, you have to sit down and your hands are going to touch the ground. Bus. Wow, very good. The book is at the beginning. Reset. Try this one. Web. Wow, red group. If you're touching the ground, you are correct. Sitting, reset. Reset. Bush. Very good. That. Crab. Oh, good fix. The book is at the end.
Short I sound. What does this say? Good. Good. The second one is the short E sound. What does that say?
E.
The short Good. You have to try to remember that the E does what? It
Smiles.
look at the mirrors. Look into the mirror. And say that E sound. Hold it. Hold it.
E.
No. Like this, Mikhail. Look at me. Look at me. Close your mouth a little bit. And smile big. There it is. There it is. See it? There we go. Here's one for you. One for you.
Two for us.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you a word, and I want you to hold up the short vowel sound that you hear. Okay? You ready? Beg. Beg. There you go. It is the E. Okay? Let's try another.
You have to look at. We have to look at your mouth where you could like.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about you? Can you see yourself? Here we go. I want you to look in the mirror, and I want you to say the word big. Ooh, very good. All right, ready? Let's do another one. You ready? I want you to look in the mirror, do the word pen. Did you say the word pen? I want you to say it.
Pen.
No, you can't guess. When you said pen, what did you say?
Smile.
Ah, good. E. The E is correct.
Okay.
Pen. Okay, how about this one? Pin.
Pin.
Yes, nice. All right, let's do another one. You ready? Lit. Say it with me. Lit. Now let's say the sounds. Lit. Good.
I got two.
Good. Here, let's do another one. You ready? The word is tell. Say it with me. Tell. Yes, very good. All right, let's do another one. You ready? The word is till. Yes, excellent. Ready? Let's try another one. The word is when. Say it with me. When. Say it with me. When. Good, Mikhail. You got it. Now the word is when. When. Yes. Net. At. Good. Which one? Net. Good. You got it. All right. We'll do this one in a second. Okay. All right. Here we go. Your word is it. Yes. Good. Excellent job. Okay. So now, while students are encoding words, it is a good time to see what they're doing with their articulators. We will stop and have a discussion about certain sounds so that this way we can weave out any misconceptions.
So what happens to my mouth, or what happens to your mouth when you do
Your tongue is up.
Say it again.
Your tongue is up.
So the N has my tongue that goes up. When you do the sound, what happens to your mouth? Look at a friend and show them. What happens to your mouth? Juliet. Your lips go inside. Excellent job, my friend. Next word. Take your fingers. Put it here.
When students know what they're doing with their mouth when they make certain sounds, they can easily segment those words into smaller phonemes.
Catch a bubble.
Catch a bubble.
What is happening right here? What is happening? Your mouth is opening and closing. Why do you think that is?
Ow is two sounds. Ow, ah, and ooh.
Good. You're close. You're close. It's not two sounds. However, what happens to your mouth? It changes. Yes. Yes. When you make the ow sound, it changes. It gets open. Ow. And then it closes. Ow. It goes from open to close. Ready? Ow. Try again. Ow. Even though our mouth closes, opens and closes, it makes one sound. How many sounds?
One sound.
How many sounds?
One sound.
Okay, here we go.
It's the short E sound, okay? All right. When you do the short E sound, your mouth smiles, okay? Look at me. Ready? And good. Your mouth just smiles. And good. Now try this sound. The sound is the short I sound. Yeah. Yeah. Does it smile as much? No. Look at me. Breathe. So now, I'm gonna give you a word, and I want you to think about if it's this sound or this sound, and you're gonna point to it if you hear that sound in the word, okay? And a big clue is how our mouth looks when we say the word, yes? Okay, the first word, bag. Nice job. Try the next one, ready? Pen. Wow, how did you know so fast?
Because of the smile.
Because of the smile, yeah? Okay, let's try another one. Ready? Pin. Try the next one. Ready? Ready? Sit. Good. Try this one. Set. Nice. Try the next one. Ready? Fin. Wow, you're just nailing them. Try this one. Then. Excellent. Ready? So now, across and then around. Say it with me.
Cross and then around.
Good. And what sound is that? Very nice. Excellent. Ready? You try it. Cross and around. Beautiful. That is a beautiful looking letter. Sound. Good.
It.
Good. Let's put the all E together. Fin.
Fin.
Good.
It.
What does this do? Good. Why did you have to change it? What did your mouth do?
It came into an eye.
Yeah, I can't
instead of an E.
instead of an E, yeah.
Because the E sounds like an I.
I know, but what do we know about our mouth? What happens to our mouth when we make that?
It smiles.
It smiles, so we have to remember that smile, okay? Right? We have to. It smiles. Look at that smile right
It
there.
makes good colors.
Yeah, that's okay. It smiles. All right, ready? Sounds. Set. Good. Try to put it together. Set.
Set.
Good. Sound.
It.
Put it together. Sit.
Sit.
Good job. Okay. So we have 2 words. What did you notice that the difference is between these words?
The T and
The different things. The different things. Not what's same. Different.
the E and the I.
Yeah. Let's say the sounds.
It.
It smiles. And
It.